Good morning friends. Today we are going to begin with second chapter of Science 1, that is periodic classification of element. Let us know what is mean by element. Element is a substance that cannot be broken down into any other substance. Substance means पदार्थ, मटेरियल, ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे कि घर में मम्मी के पास पापा के पास होता है सिल्वर गोल्ड, तो सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड, सिंबल ऑफ सिल्वर इज Ag एंड सिंबल ऑफ गोल्ड इज Au. सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड, it is an element. Another example of element is you studied in the previous class, hydrogen, sodium, all these are elements. So let us take the atomic number of silver is 47 and it is atomic number of gold is 79. Now the simple element is, take the example of sodium. Sodium, symbol of sodium is 11 and symbol of sodium is Na. Its atomic number is 11 and mass number is 23. So remember these two words, atomic number, and 23 is atomic mass number. What is mean by atomic number? Atomic number means number of electron, negative charge particle is equal to number of proton, positive charge particle. And what is mean by mass number? Mass number is the sum of proton and neutron present in the nucleus of an atom. It is called as mass number. And what is meant by atomic number? Number of electron and proton. So first point of this chapter is Dobbe-Renier triad. So friend, first point of this chapter is Dobbe-Renier triad. Triad means three. Group of three elements together is called as triad. Tri means तीन दोस्त एक साथ, तीन स्पोर्ट्स खेलने वाले तीन दोस्त एक साथ, लाइक मैचिंग ग्रुप के तीन दोस्त एक साथ, थ्री means triad. Dobbe-Renier triads में what Dobbe-Renier has did, he arranged the element according to their increasing order of atomic masses. जैसे कि असेंबली में, प्रार्थना में आप लोग हाइट वाइज खड़े रहते हो, वैसे ही डोबे-रायनर ने अरेंज द एलिमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस. ही टुक द थ्री एलिमेंट, पेयर ऑफ थ्री एलिमेंट. द नेम ऑफ द थ्री एलिमेंट इज ली ना क. ली स्टैंड फॉर लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम. द एटॉमिक मास ऑफ लिथियम इज 7 and atomic mass of potassium is 39. What he has did in further part, by adding these two number and divided by 2 is called mean in mathematics. It is called average. Addition is 46 divided by 2 is 26, 23, and 23 is the atomic mass of middle element. It is called as Dobbe-Renier triad. What is Dobbe-Renier triad? Group of three elements together having similar chemical property is called triad. The atomic mass of middle element is the mean of average of other two. Second point of this topic is Newland's law of octave. He is a scientist, English scientist, in the year 1866. Again, this Newland has arranged the element according to increasing order of atomic mass. He arranged the element like this element Li, Be, Ba, Ka, Na, A, F. Na, ma, ja, la, si, pa, sa, la. So I use the different sound by remembering this element: lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, Fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium. Now, octave means 8, octopus के 8 पैर. Then he arranged the element according to the increasing order of their atomic mass. Then this scientist Newland has found that octave means 8. The property of the eighth element. The property of the eighth element is similar to that of first. Property of that element means property of lithium and sodium is same. It is called as Newland's octave rule. Again you can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and again 8. This Newland found that property of the first and eighth element is similar. और बाकी का जो